We were chosen to be involved in the Nemesis project, so we selected children from disadvantaged backgrounds or children who found learning difficult or being in the classroom. So we invited different people to the co-creation lab initially and asked them what the social problems were in our local community. So the children decided on what project they wanted to do initially.
At the moment in time, we're working on Project 525, which is about the house.
It's like a house where people, when you get angry, you can calm down in different rooms. So like, you could paint in one room, like colour in another room.
Everybody's had a voice in that. So the children have been able to say, oh, why don't we do this and why don't we do that? They've then done their designs, so the children have gone away and got their class to do designs on what they think the house should look like.
We're trying to make it into a place where community people or people from school, like our school, could come in and other schools if they're like worrying about things or if they've got a difficulty while they're learning, like stuff like that.
It's all about social innovation, making a change and a difference for the lives of younger children, especially as the world is changing every day, and I think they need to become active citizens in their environment and have empathy and passion for other people.
Give me more confidence to speak and do more projects, which I was shy at the first, but now I'm not shy that much, especially talking to adults who I don't know but who are around this environment.
To see the transformation from the children being really nervous to being very confident and being able to give their voice, to see other members of the community getting on board and getting really excited about a project and knowing that every stakeholder will benefit from it, has got to be a good thing. It's got to be a good thing for the community, it's got to be a good thing for the school and yeah, for the society around, yeah, absolutely.